Hello, hello, hello. Next to this Inobong Tamu ground is this newly installed contraption. I think it has a wireless, and it actually says the sign there is faded, which is ridiculous. Federal office, faded federal signboard. But let me zoom on the top. What does it say? Pengawasan real quality air sungai or automatic continuous river water quality monitoring. You're monitoring the river quality? That's a joke, man. A joke. Yeah, the data is sent by wireless. I don't know which department is receiving this data. Yeah, it's supposed to be automated and full-time functioning. And there's a little rain today. This is Moyog River at Inobong, and that's the water quality you are monitoring. So, what the fuck are you monitoring the water quality for? A little rain, and the water is muddy. And downstream is Kasigoy water intake. You're taking this water to the waterworks for drinking and consumption by JABATAN air. My God. So you're monitoring the water quality here. I'm sure this is not only full of mud, full of shit from the pigsty, and full of bacteria from the crocodile farm upstream, and lots and lots of hill cutting at the Moyog and Babagon and Moyog catchment area. And they were claiming that they just approved giving the locals some land there for native title. Fair enough. Depends on what they do. If they just plant cash crop, that's okay. But if they start hill cutting, which is a lot of hill cutting in the Moyog catchment now, and this is the water quality you're getting. So what's the point of installing this water quality monitoring station when you know very well that the water from Moyog River is all mud now? Whether it's dry season, wet season, flood season, it's all mud there. So that's the quality of water you are monitoring. That's a joke, man. Bloody joke. If you want to monitor the quality of the Moyog River water, just go and where's the Jabatan Tanah, where's the Environment Department, where's the Land Use Department? Take an aerial photograph of Moyog catchment and see the land use there, what they're doing there. They're hill cutting or what? Even the steep slope also they cut. And even the picnic ground of Kampung Kibunut has become muddy. That gave us the last flood. Come on. This Sama Maju Jaya country is a big joke, guys.